Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will guide you how to verify payment method. Your account has been disabled due to payment method verification issues, but you have lost your card or phone number, making verification impossible. That's also why Master the Meta made this video. Let's solve this problem together. You may see that my account is disabled because the card hasn't been verified, and I'm also receiving the contact support error message. This might help you resolve any card verification related issues. Please go to the comments or description to access the link to the extension. Next, download the extension. Next, go to your browser's extension manager. Once in the extension manager, enable developer mode. Next, open the file you just downloaded. Right-click on the extension and select WinRAR, then select Extract here. Wait a moment, a utility file and a file containing the text I have prepared for you will appear. Add extension to browser as in video. Now open the extension. You can see the extension is linked to Facebook Appeals category. Step 1. Enter your FB Ads account ID in the first box. Next, enter your FB ID or link in the second box. In step 3, enter your business portfolio ID. If the account does not belong to BM, enter Add Account belongs to individual. Note, if the account belongs to BM, you must be an administrator of BM. In step 4, paste the text I have prepared for you. Note that you should edit it to your own information. Finally, please attach screenshots of the items, such as the tutorial video. Click Send. Now, wait about 2 to 3 hours. Then return to your ad account and you should see your account is back to normal. Note, if it still doesn't work, please try again after 1 hour. The process should be successful. During this time, please do not use other extensions to avoid conflicts. As you can see, my account has been restored to its normal state. Master the Meta's video tutorial on how to verify payment methods ends here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and we will help answer them.